Thematic analysis is a method used in qualitative research to identify, analyze, and interpret patterns or themes within data. It is commonly applied to interviews, open-ended survey responses, and other forms of text-based data. Instead of focusing on numerical results, thematic analysis helps researchers understand deeper meanings, perspectives, and trends in human experiences. By organizing data into recurring themes, researchers can make sense of large amounts of information and draw meaningful conclusions. Thematic analysis is flexible and can be applied across different disciplines, including psychology, sociology, and education. Now let's look at the key steps involved in thematic analysis. The process begins with familiarization, where researchers read through the data multiple times to gain an overall understanding. Next, they generate initial codes by identifying important features in the data that seem relevant to the research question. After coding, they search for themes by grouping related codes together. These themes are then reviewed to ensure they accurately reflect the data before being refined and named. Finally, the researcher interprets the themes and presents them in a clear, meaningful way, often with supporting examples from the data. Now let's look at some strengths of thematic analysis. One major strength is its flexibility, as it can be applied to many types of qualitative data without requiring strict guidelines. Another strength is that it allows for a deep understanding of complex issues by focusing on patterns in human experiences. Thematic analysis is also useful for summarizing large amounts of data in a structured way, making it easier to identify key insights. Additionally, it does not require specialized software or advanced technical skills, making it accessible to a wide range of researchers. However, thematic analysis is not without its criticisms. One weakness is that it can be highly subjective, as researchers must decide which themes are important and how to interpret them. This means that different researchers may analyze the same data in different ways, leading to potential bias. Another weakness is that thematic analysis does not measure frequency or statistical significance, making it less suitable for studies that require numerical comparisons. Additionally, if the themes are not clearly defined or supported by strong evidence, the results may be vague or lack credibility. An alternative to thematic analysis is content analysis, which also involves examining patterns in qualitative data, but focuses more on counting and categorizing specific words or phrases. Unlike thematic analysis, content analysis provides numerical data, making it useful for comparing trends across different sources. Another alternative is grounded theory, which goes beyond identifying themes by developing new theories based on the data. Phenomenological analysis is another option, focusing specifically on the lived experiences of individuals rather than broader themes. Each of these methods offers different advantages depending on the research goal.